That's my house. Just there. Yeah, so this is what is across the road from me. And rising. And across the other side. The pond has risen really, really high. Just over there you can see a little wharf type thing. There's a step down. You can actually generally step down. At the moment it's covering the path. I can't even get to the little wharf thing. The water's that high. This is only day 2 of the rain. We're still in for another 2, 3, maybe 4 days of it. This is what amazes me. We have our own waterfall. It sounds amazing.